Hello everybody, and this is part 2 coverage of Hurricane Irene in Boston, Mass. As you can see down below, there's a lot more trees, little tree limbs on the ground, but also the wind in the middle, one of the bigger gusts, you can see it. This tree parked right there. I'm assuming it's gonna be down by the end of the day because it's such a small tree. Let's just watch it now. It does pick up at a time, and that almost looks like it's gonna go over. But who knows? Going on over. There has been a report of one tree down in the neighborhood, down on Lennoxdale Ave. So you have to watch out for there. There's also a couple of trees swaying back and forth. I don't know if we can get out and see that. And it's really not raining that hard, as you can see out there. And then there's some trees over there. But there's really not that much going on right now. There's also been a report of a tree. Okay, so right now we're probably almost near the middle, or going to be near the middle real soon in Hurricane Irene. Right now it's not a hurricane, still a tropical storm, will remain a tropical storm for the rest of the evening, probably continuing until about 6, 7, 8 o'clock with winds. The highest wind right now that's reported is 47 in Boston. This is as of probably 11:50, excuse me. So, it's now been an hour since I last reported to you guys, so I'm going to let you guys go. I'll report probably in about another hour with permission. Okay? Thank you. I'm Sean Sullivan. Thank you for watching. Operation Driver, Hurricane Irene Special.